So today we are going to start new lesson. Okay, so pronouns, class 3, sixth lesson. It is a sixth lesson, chapter 6, pronouns. Okay, so so first of all we should know what is pronouns. So pronouns are used in place of nouns so that we do not have to repeat the same nouns too many times. So dear children, now if you see pronouns are used in the place of nouns so that we do not have to repeat the same nouns too many times. Okay, now if you see these are the pronouns. So these are the pronouns. So from here, so these are the pronouns. You see, these are the pronouns. Now you see, I, you, he, she, it, they, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them are called personal pronouns. So today you are listening new word, personal pronouns. Okay, they are used in place of persons or animals or things or nouns. So their personal pronouns are used in the place of nouns, animals, things or places. So they like this. Now you see little more examples. The boy was very thirsty. You see, the boy is a here. What is this? This is a noun form. The boy is a noun. The boy was very thirsty. You see, he looked for water everywhere. So here in this sentence, this is the pronoun. Why here it is pronoun? If you repeat, the boy looked for water everywhere. If you write here, so instead of I am clearing here this word pronoun. If you write the boy, if you write here the boy, see the boy looked for water everywhere. So it is in a sentence, it should not be repeated. So that's what it should not be repeated. So that's what we are writing here. He matlab who is that one? Here we are writing he meaning who is here. So it is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. So that's what it is a noun. So noun should not be repeated in the sentence. So that's what we are writing pronoun. So if this is the answer, the boy, yes. So if it repeats always, you see, so it comes. So that's what. So he looked for water everywhere. So understand, right? So instead of noun, we are writing pronoun. So if you say the ball is looking for water everywhere, the boy is looking for water for everywhere, the boy wants to drink water, boy is very thirsty, always telling boy, 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 boy. So instead of telling boy, so we are using pronoun. So like this. Now you see, Rohan and I. So this is the noun. Rohan and I are the noun. Are riding bicycles. We are having fun. So this is the here. Why we are writing we here? So this is the pronoun. So these are the Rohan and I. So if we write again here, so what is Rohan and I are having fun. If this sentence comes here, so what will happen? So this sentence, if this sentence comes here, so again Rohan and I are having fun. So it is repeating again and again in the sentence. So that's what it should not be repeated in the sentence again and again. Should not repeat again and again. So that's what we are writing here. So he. So here I am writing. So that's what we are writing. We are having fun. We are having fun. So that's what. So instead of this one, instead of this noun, we are writing pronoun. So this is called the pronoun. Very easy if you understand. You see, Lata is a good girl. She reads book every day. See, Lata. Lata is a noun, and you see she we have written. So instead of Lata, if you write here, so Lata is a good girl, and you see Lata reads books every day. Lata is a good girl. Lata reads books every day. See, Lata comes to school every day. Lata goes to home every day. So in the sentence we are always telling Lata, Lata, Lata. So that's what we should not use in the again and again. It should not be repeated in the sentence. The nouns it should not be repeated. So instead of noun we are using pronoun. So that's what we are telling here. So here telling she. So Lata is a good girl. She reads books every day. So she matlab who is that one? Here it is a Lata also. So we are not writing, but in the sentence we are not writing. So pronoun we are writing. So this is she reads. For example, Ravi is a good boy. Ravi is a handsome boy. Ravi is a good boy. Ravi, for example, you see Ravi is a good boy. Ravi is a good boy. So Ravi is a good boy. He is handsome boy. Handsome boy. Now you see Ravi is a good boy. So Ravi is a good boy. He is a handsome boy. So here if you see here Ravi is a noun. So if you write here in the here if you write here instead of if you write here Ravi is a again. So Ravi is a good boy, good boy. Ravi is a handsome boy. So Ravi is an intelligent boy. Ravi comes to school every day and Ravi goes to school every day. Okay, Ravi eats, Ravi drinks. Instead of telling Ravi, so we use pronouns. So in the sentence it is repeating again and again. It is double time repeating. 2 times it is repeating. So that's what we are writing here, pronoun. So this is the word the pronoun. So this is the word the pronoun. So that's what we are writing he. This is the only pronoun. You don't get any more confusions. So in the sentence it should not be repeated again. So instead of noun we are writing he. He matlab who is here he. So he is here Ravi only. So Ravi is a handsome boy. But what we are learning now, we are learning pronouns. So that's what we must write here he. He is a handsome boy. And now you see this example. So the boy was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere. So these are the example, dear children. This is for actually it is a grammar. You should learn this the basic things. So basic things you understand. So from tomorrow onwards we will go through the lessons. Okay, we will go through the exercises. Please do write this everything in your copy and please do watch the video again and again. You will understand. So we have more and more examples. It is a big lesson. We will learn more things from this lesson. Thank you so much.